Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.3 trillion, up 2.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 46.6%. But if we're looking at the overall markets, we are seeing a lot of green across the board, and this is just a very nice way to start the month of May. And a lot of analysts are calling this to be the next leg up for the cryptocurrency market. So very exciting times ahead for cryptocurrency holders. But today I want to talk about none other than Vechain. Alright guys, if we're looking at Vechain's price right now, Vechain is currently trading at basically 20 cents. It's down 1.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 2.6% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. Vechain's rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko currently is top 15. Market cap is $12.9 billion, so basically $13 billion, and 24-hour trading volume is $1.5 billion. If we're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the 1 year alone, VeChain is up a staggering 4,300%, and in just the last 30 days, it's up 127%. So everything is looking very nice. But let's deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on. So as you guys may know, I have in my previous couple of videos, I said I want VeChain to be trading sideways and accumulating before we do see some newer highs, and exactly that is what VeChain is doing right now, and that's very bullish in my opinion. I have been seeing a lot of comments coming in lately saying people are saying, oh, VeChain is boring, it's not going up. Guys, VeChain needs some sort of consolidation before it reaches up. It's some sort of sideways movement where it can create some heavy level of support, and then it breaks its newer all-time high. As you guys can see, back down to this level, when we were trying to break that 10 cents mark, we were trading sideways for a bit, guys. We traded sideways, and then we finally broke out, and that's exactly what I wanted to be doing right now, and it's doing exactly that right now. It has been trading sideways for a while, and what I would like for VeChain to do is currently trade within this range. As long as it trades within this range, I am absolutely fine with that, and then go up, and then I believe we might see some choppiness around at this level because this is a level of resistance. But if a little bit more volume were to kick in, I believe we're off to the races and heading towards our newer all-time high. This is the month of May where I have said VeChain will hit the newer all-time high. I am very confident about that. If we're measuring from its how far it's away from its all-time high, it's only away as of now. Let's measure that right now. It's only away 42.34%, guys. Only 42.34% away from its all-time high. So everything is looking very bullish. I know a lot of newcomers are coming in the markets. They want to see instant gains, like right away gains, and like markets just going up non-stop. But guys, that is not realistic and that is not sustainable. So always in crypto, there's always going to be this run up, and then we see some shake off, profits being taken, and then obviously the markets go down with it. And if you have not known that Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the cryptocurrency market, so if Bitcoin were to go down, let's say 10%, altcoins a majority of the time go down even double digits compared to Bitcoin, and that's just how the markets work, and we cannot control that. We just have to be prepared how to play that. So if you have money that's too much for you to lose, let's say you bought up too early, then you guys definitely need to have some sort of exit strategy in place. But I always say on my channel, if you're a follower on my channel, I always say, guys, do your own due diligence and research and invest what you can afford to lose. As long as you guys do all these steps, patience is your number one key, and patience will be your number one key to make gains in the cryptocurrency market, because there's always going to be these kind of shakeups that can scare a lot of people, and that are these are the tactics, these big whales and the whales use when they are manipulating the markets to dump down the price to shake out the weak hands. So you do not want to be the weak hands. Especially this goes to the new viewers that are coming into the cryptocurrency markets. And yeah, so this is a bullish scenario, and I am very confident that in just the next coming week or so, we are about to see some newer highs for VeChain. Because when it starts moving, guys, if we were to kickstart and have some sort of a big spike in volume to kick in, we will start moving up very very fast. And if you guys don't know, Sunny Lu came out and said, during that Reddit Q&A, he said that they have a lot of things in the works. And if you guys don't know, these guys been delivering for quite a while, and we were being slept on. If you this is your first time on my channel, let me share this with you guys. VeChain was being slept on for the longest time, because due to the fact that there was so much hype around certain coins such as Polkadot, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin. Coins like with VeChain with real use case were being slept on. And you guys can see VeChain has been delivering for a while, guys. These are some companies they're partnered with, some big names around the world such as DHL, BMW, AWS, Walmart China, H&M. So this goes to show these guys have been delivering. They actually are trying to solve the real world issue and solving a real world problem. And on top of that, they are bringing mass adoption to the cryptocurrency industry. So meaning that a lot of other organizations, when they see that certain organizations such as Walmart China are using VeChain Tor blockchain, other organizations in China or around the world, they will want to implement that as well. So that is a very very bullish on its own. And the team keeps on delivering, guys. They keep on developing, they keep on delivering, and that's a very bullish sign. And now now people are finally starting to realize that, and people started to realize the value of VeChain after the Salesforce announcement. Salesforce came out and said, we will be using VeChain Tor blockchain within our organization. We're just testing it. But such a huge organization all testing it created a lot of hype, and they dropped the announcement at a perfect time, during the bull run. And we were literally around at this range, and then we broke out that 10 cents and just rallied like crazy. Since the announcement of Salesforce, we came up 200%, guys. 200%. And obviously we did have some sort of correction, but that is very much needed. So this goes to show, guys, patience is key. If you believe in a project and you have done your due diligence and research and invested what you can afford to lose, patience is key. And patience will be rewarded. And I personally think, guys, that this is the month where we finally break our newer all-time high and head towards 30 cents. That's the next price target for me, and I'm very confident this is the month where we'll reach it. And this year, I still am very, very confident that we will get listed on Coinbase. Obviously, as you guys may know, Coinbase is the biggest exchange in the cryptocurrency market. But like the reason as to why I say it's the biggest exchange in the world is due to the fact that majority of the people, new investors, they come through Coinbase. And it's a fiat gateway. So obviously, if you have been in the markets, in crypto markets for a while, you've been trading for a while, then Binance is the biggest exchange from volume. But Coinbase is the biggest in my opinion, and it has a lot of value to it. And if a project were to get listed on Coinbase, you guys may know the Coinbase effect, and also on top of that, it opens tons of doors for new projects being listed on there. And I strongly believe VeChain should be able to get listed this year on VeChain, considering what they are doing, but only time will tell. And if we were to get that type of magnitude of a bull run that we saw back in 2017, like where altcoins literally skyrocketed, the VeChain can easily hit $1, and I honestly can see it hit $1 because it's only 4.5x away from here. But like I said, only time will tell. But now we're talking a lot of bullish things right now, so let's now talk about some bearish scenarios as well. So some bearish scenarios would be, right now Bitcoin, everything is looking very very nice for the cryptocurrency markets, but let's say Bitcoin and some whales do tend to take some profits, and or some manipulation occurs around the markets, obviously, and then Bitcoin goes down to $50,000, then yes, we have to look at the downside level as well. So the downside would be the same as I've mentioned in my previous videos. We if we drop back to Bitcoin drops back to $50,000, VeChain obviously is going to drop with it, and then I believe this should be a level of support for VeChain, because there is a strong support around this level at the 61.8, which is at the price of 15.4 cents. If we're unable to hold that, this would be the next level of support around 13 cents. But I do not see that happening. I believe the bullish scenario is outweighing the bearish scenario quite a bit, due to the fact that there's a lot of excitement around the markets, and a lot of bullish momentum is picking up. So that's it for today's video, guys. Everything is looking very, very bullish for cryptocurrencies and VeChain, yeah, the project itself. And before I leave, guys, I want to say thank you so much for each and every one of you that has been supporting me. I really, really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Keep supporting me. I keep on delivering every day, a VeChain video every single day for you guys, because you guys enjoy it. So your support really does mean the world to me. And stay safe out there, guys, because safety is the most important thing. Health is important, and family is the most important, and then everything else absolutely comes later, guys. Everything else absolutely comes later. And also, yeah, always do your own due diligence and research before investing into crypto. And with that being said, guys, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.